Greetings friends and fellow foodies. I'd like to invite you on an exciting culinary journey.
We're here at Punto Lobo, also known as the Fisherman's Beach, west of Cabo San Lucas on the Pacific side in Baja California.
We picked up some amazing vegetables and salads to go with the fish.
And speaking of fish, Chef, how about we walk down and see what the local fishermen are bringing up today?
Sounds like a plan.
While Chef Sherlock's playing around with his fish and chips, I'm going to make you a Mediterranean Baja fish dish with our fresh snapper, which we just took from the fishermen. Chef Ian taught me how to prepare this dish, so I'm going to do my best in presenting it to you. First up, sea salt, pepper. Flip them over. And I picked up some spices from Chef Sherlock's spice rack. We're gonna start out with a little bit of onion salt, paprika, a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna slightly sear this off. Doesn't that look amazing? Kalamata olives, this smells incredible. Wow. Garlic, onions. Remove the fish from the pan. Kalamata olives. Broccolini flowers. Fresh lemon juice. Our Chardonnay from Northern Baja. And we'll finish it off with a little white truffle oil. Finish it off with a little bit of sprouts. And some beautiful local flowers. Come on, Sherlock, where's your fish and chips? Smells like garlic heaven.
After that beautiful, incredible dish from BJ, I'm doing fish and chips. Somehow feels like a little, but hey, I'm English. Fish and chips on the beach, why not? Okay, first thing up, the wedges. So, 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start with the fish. Snapper, sea salt, pepper. I'm using some garlic pepper from my spice cabinet. Lemon juice. Now you want to get that fish as dry as possible, so I'm patting it on a nice towel. The reason is you want the flour to be dry. If the flour is dry, it doesn't get soggy when you add it to the batter. Just leave that towel there to soak up all those juices. And now for the dusting. That's nice and dry. So, flour. Now I pre-made my beer batter and put it in this soda siphon, right? It's beer, flour, baking soda, salt and pepper. Right, fish. Give it a shake. Give that a mix and into the oil. And drizzle the batter to give a nice crunchy effect, just like so. While that's cooking away, I think the chips are ready. Fish is ready. Look at the color of that. Let it rest on the paper towel.